I heard a short bite on what context engineering really is. Everybody keeps on talking about context engineering, and context engineering, but what it really means, let's talk about that. I hope by now you all have tried out AI tools and you understand what context window really is. And the reality is that AI context window is increasing. It's increasing day by day. New tools are coming, new models are coming with bigger and bigger context window. But at the same time, your attention span is reducing. It's reducing heavily because of various reasons. One could be social media, one could be the influx of information that is being thrown at us through all the algorithms and channels that we are part of. And this, I feel, is the most dangerous gap in tech right now. Now, the big thing with people is that most people use AI wrong. They use it just like they used to use Google or YouTube. They type, click, forget, they consume information, they just forget, and they keep giving the same information again and again and again and again. You can use AI better than that. The people who are winning, they are not just obsessing over the context or the context windows or the models. They are actually like trying to engineer. They're trying to put their own taste, their own examples, their own prompts, and their own references, and that's the whole game. I think if somebody wants to win with AI or get real good results with AI, you have to like engineer the context to your own levels, and that's really important. And once you do that, you'll start seeing the gaps, you'll start seeing the improvement in the outcomes that you can get out from AI. And free models, free tools, they are good to try out, but they will essentially waste your time. I mean, they are like the free samples at a food court, enough to feel that okay, I'm learning something new, or I'm like this tool can help me. But most free tools or most free models, they don't give the right channels or ways for you to engineer context or like to refer to it and do heavy customizations. But if you really care about like context engineering, I think you'll have to start with paying for a tool, feeding it well with your context, engineering the context, and that is context engineering. And I think today, as of today, almost no one is doing it right. Some people are trying to in cash on free tools, or trying to just put a context one time and then use that generic context for all specific tasks. That's not going to work, and that is something that context engineering can change. So that's what was my small bite on context engineering. Thank you for listening to me, and if you like this infographic, I'll attach this in the description. Thank you.